Hey, what's up, YouTube shooting people? I want to talk to you today very quickly about a piece of kit that you're going to need to shoot shotguns. There's awful glare on this package. You'll deal with it. This is a product by AP Custom USA, www.apcustomUSA.com. It's made by AP Industries, and it's a shell carrier. And it's a shell carrier so you can carry shells on your belt. Okay, this happens to be the 4x4. It's a double. You can put 4 here and 4 here, so you can carry 8 shells on your belt. It attaches to your belt with a tech lock. It happens to be folded up in the packaging, and it could accommodate a belt up to 1.75 inches, 1 3/4 inches. Okay, and that locks down and behaves just like any other tech lock. You snap it closed by pushing in these ears. Snaps closed, and then there's actually the lock part that you rotate over. Okay, this sits in your belt like so. Tech lock's made out of the standard kind of material they make tech lock out of, this plastic stuff. The carrier itself is made out of some kind of it's made out of aluminum. Okay, and here's the. I think you can see that probably right about there, something like that. Let me show you what the packaging looks like if you're going to order something like this. And here's the Brownells number. Okay, let's put this away and show you how this works. The way you load this up is you start in the back here. Okay, right here is the back. Okay, this will be the forward part. So this will be your belt here, right? You get it. You just take your shells and start putting them in. You take the brass side, kind of cant it down at an angle, and they just start to drop in. Okay, like this, right? Just cant them in, they drop in. Right, 1. We'll do another one, 2, 3. Your 4th one, do the same thing, but you're going to have to push this retaining spring back a little bit. Okay, just push the retaining spring back a little bit and drop that shell in. Right. Again, then you just repeat the process. Now, you're going to put your shells in depending on whether or not you're a righty or lefty and which side you're carrying this carrier on. Okay, and that will make a difference because I'll show you why in a second. All right, so there you go. You have 8 shells on your belt. Okay, the way this works is it's on your belt. You simply reach down, grab it with your 2 fingers. Some people can grab it with their ring finger and their pinky finger, but your middle finger and your ring finger, you can grab it, put your thumb over the top, and you can pull forward, or sorry, pull up, and you'll have 4 shotgun shells in your hand. Now you can just load them into the magazine tube one by one. Okay, very easy and very efficient way of loading. Or at least one efficient way of loading. There's actually other more efficient ways to load. There's actually a shotgun speed loader. We'll talk about that some other time. Now, for the kind of shotgun I'm going to be shooting, not the type of gun itself, but the sport would be USPSA style 3-gun or IDPA. You want to make sure that this retains your rounds. You drop a round on the ground, it's a problem. So the retaining clips or springs that are in here, these metal things here, do a pretty good job of that, right? So they're not going to come out unless you actually pull them out. Now you can jam them one by one in your magazine. All right, so that's about it. I just wanted to show you this nice product, and maybe we'll do some significant field testing on this and some practice with it to get fast on the reloads. Typically, shotgun is the killer for 3-gun. It's where people bite the dust the most in terms of time. So being able to efficiently reload is the real weak point in most competitors' repertoire of abilities. So this is a product that you need, or products like this you need to know how to use, get good quality products, know how to use them, and practice, practice, practice. We'll leave with some close-ups of this bad boy. It's a really nicely made product. I think you can appreciate it. Put together quite nicely, quite robust. Take care.